guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you're sitting there wondering, Cody, why are you so ugly? Well, the answer is I attempted the 10-minute makeup challenge. So it's pretty simple. 10 minutes on the clock, try to do as much as I possibly could in that 10 minutes, and this is what you got. So if you'd like to watch me frantically try to get through all of my makeup steps, keep watching. Hi guys, so I'm so excited for today's video, and as you saw in the intro and the title, it's going to be my first challenge, which is the 10-minute makeup challenge. Now I searched YouTube earlier to see how many people had done this challenge, and I only actually found like 2 or 3 videos that were 10-minute makeup challenge. So I don't really know who to credit this to because a couple of people have already done it, but if I can find the original creator of this challenge, I will tag them below. So I have all my products laid out right in front of me so I don't have to scramble around and try to find them and waste time, but I really don't know how this is going to go. It's either going to be amazing or it's going to be absolutely terrible. I don't think it's going to be anywhere in between because generally it takes me like an hour, hour and a half to get like full-faced, amazing makeup done. Amazing if I say so myself. But 10 minutes, it's either going to be barely get my foundation and concealer on, or I'm just going to go through it so fast and it's going to look terrible, but I'll get it all done. So we will see. Alright, on my tablet beside me, I have a timer set for 10 minutes, so there won't be any cheating, and when that alarm goes off, I will drop my brushes and we will see what we have. Okay, T-minus 3, 2, 1, start. I'm going to try my hardest to talk. What? Oh my god, that's so much while I do this. I feel like 10 minutes is going to be good enough if I just zoom through everything, but we'll see. I'm definitely not going to have time to carve up my brows or wear lashes, but it should be enough time to get through most of it, if not all. It better be all, or else why would you be watching? Hopefully this dries quickly. It's already been a minute. Like I didn't even pre-plan what kind of eyeshadow look I was going to attempt to do, so So trying to throw that together last minute is probably going to be a big mistake. Okay, stop taking forever. Okay. Concealer. I'm gonna go into my usual Maybelline Fit Me. God. Why is my arm tired already? It's been 2 minutes. 2 minutes, oh my god. Come on. Come on. What a workout. Good. Okay, time for some quick powder. Made a mess. But we don't have time for cleanliness today. God. 7 minutes left. That's done. Bronze, bronze, bronze. Like one step I will not skip is bronzing. I'm going in with my usual Essence bronzer. "10 minutes or not, nobody wants a giant forehead." God, there's no way. On the plus side, this video won't be 42 minutes long like my last one. And I've already accomplished something great. It's being filmed the correct way, so it's not up and down. Now you get a full screen of me. Oh god. Okay, why am I taking forever bronzing? Come on. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna very slightly contour my nose with that same bronzer, just to be quick. This will definitely not be a snatched nose today. Oh my God. Good enough. I just need a quick little dab of my blush. Going with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Brick Red. If all else fails and this is disgustingly ugly, maybe the blush will save me, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what to do. Brows, brows. There will be no carving today. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Oh my gosh. About to hit the 4-minute mark. It's telling me we're getting there. We're definitely gonna have some thick brows today. These are very reminiscent of James Charles 2016 Sharpie brows, and nobody liked that. Oh my gosh. We literally have 3.5 minutes left. There's no way. Okay, good enough. Normally I don't do my highlighter first, but I'm gonna do it today or else I will forget. Going with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Ice Cold. Yeah. Okay. Eyeshadow. I didn't even grab an eyeshadow palette. Today, the trusty James Charles X Morphe palette for the win. Okay. 2.5 minutes to figure this out. We're going neutral today. Gosh. I literally don't know any of these shade names, or else I would tell you. But I'm going in with a very light brown. This, then maybe this. If we have time in the next 2 minutes. I was really hoping to get lashes on at least, but that's not happening. But I'm still following the rules and I'm still putting down a transition shade because I'm a beauty guru. Okay, next going into that darker brown. Oh my gosh. God, there's no way. I can't stop looking at the clock. There's no way. There's just no way. I want to get my lip on. I will not have a lip. Okay, darker. You're down to the 1 minute mark. At least I got something on my eyes. It's gonna be ugly. It's not blended. It's not anything crazy. But at least there's some color. I mean, that's pretty, isn't it? No, it's not. Oh my gosh. I literally just threw my palette on the floor. Maybelline mascara. Stab my eye. Do it for the YouTube. my god, 3 seconds. My hand's shaking. Well, there's 10 minutes. Well, that 10 minutes was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. I literally was looking over at my timer the entire time, and my hands were shaking, and as soon as I went to put my mascara on, I stabbed myself in the eye, I hit my waterline over here. Not pretty. But I got some color, so I guess that's not too bad. Face base is done, I had everything I needed to get done. My brows are huge, not carved or sharp, so they're ugly, but they're not like too ugly. At least I have some color on my eyelids. Everything else looks pretty decent if you ask me. Not too bad. Not too bad. I wanted to smoke out my lower lash line. I wanted lashes on. I wanted eyeliner on. No, 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 didn't happen. No lip. And I have my lip pencil right here. I needed like 20 more seconds. Can I cheat? Does that count? No, I won't. Like, I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. I did not think I was going to be able to get as much as I got done in only 10 minutes. Like, I think if I wouldn't have been looking at my alarm so much, I wouldn't have been like shaking and nervous and like rushing so fast. But I guess if I wasn't rushing, I probably would have gotten half of this done and it would have looked even worse. But at the end of the day, I really enjoyed this video. It's much shorter than my last video, which I'm sure all of you will appreciate. It was actually filmed correctly, so you actually can get full screen of me this time instead of just a little tiny section. And I love all of these makeup challenges I see on YouTube all the time, all the trends. They're so much fun, and I look forward to doing a lot more of them. So if you have any recommendations on challenges that I should be doing, please drop them in the comment section below for me to see. I will try my hardest to do all of the challenges that you guys recommend. I think it's so much fun, and to see what I can create in only 10 minutes actually kind of impressed me, to be honest, because like I said, it usually takes me like an hour and a half to get a full face on, and in only 10 minutes, I was able to get just about everything, minus, like I said, the lips, better eyeshadow, lashes, and liner, which is really important to me. But altogether, I'm happy with it. I hope you're happy with it. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up below. Make sure you hit the big red subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're so inclined, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video with a nice little spritz of Morphe setting spray, because why wouldn't you want to keep this face on all day? But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.